guys, hello everyone. Tonight I'm gonna cook baked chicken with cheese. So without further ado, I'm just gonna show you how I usually do it. In this recipe, I am using chicken breast fillet and ano na siya, debone, tapos wala na siyang skin. And I have put it in a baking dish. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some garlic powder, I have tried this recipe the other night actually, experiment, and then it actually tastes nice and Tony likes it, and it's very rare that my husband, when it comes to chicken, how will I put it, he's very fussy of how you cook food, so it passes his taste buds, so it must have been really good. So I'm cooking it again tonight. Yeah, and after the garlic powder, guys, I have put some seasoning. I am using that one. We haven't got magic setup here, so I am just using an alternative, which is also good. So I'm just drizzling it all over, but I won't put too much because I don't want it to be salty. And just a sprinkle of salt. I'm gonna just put here so it's more light. That's it. After that, I'm gonna put a dash of paprika. Yeah, paprika. To give a bit of sweetness in it. Not too much, so it won't be that hot as well. Just a tiny bit. After that, I'm gonna put some pepper as well. Now before pepper, let me just drizzle some lemon juice. You can use freshly squeezed, but I haven't got fresh lemon here, so I'm just gonna use the bottle actually. So just enough to cover. The leftover of this, I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow. Since I haven't got soy sauce, I have run out of soy sauce at home, I'm gonna use whatever I've got in the cupboard, and that's what I've used. Liquid seasoning. So just sprinkle it down. It will also serve as its sauce actually. It's gonna taste nice, guys. And now I'm gonna add some oyster sauce. Just sprinkle it, just a little bit. Oyster sauce.
Yeah, fish and chips tomorrow. I got some fish last night as well.
Don't.
Oh, what?
Just like that. and some pepper. And then
Yes, have the butter up.
put some butter on it. Put butter.
Got nothing for my sandwiches now.
No, closer.
Hey.
After that, some shredded cheese.
My sandwiches gone. God, no.
Tony doesn't know. I put some cheese on it. Yeah. And after that, cover it with a foil. Cover it with a foil. Do not put it in the oven without a foil. If you want, you can experiment, but I chose not to, as it tends to get the chicken dry, and we don't want that. I prefer chicken to be juicy actually. So after this, we put it in the oven, preheated oven, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, for
Centigrade.
no, centigrade, for about 30-40 minutes. But before it finishes, maybe 5-10 minutes before it finishes, take the foil off and let the cheese like crisp up a bit on top. And I'll show you guys later how it looks like.